Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Zoom name on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom meeting application in my Android mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can change our name. If we want to change our name from mobile phone, we need to go to the participants here, select participants, and then you're going to tap on your name. And here you will be able to get two options. The first option is raise hand, and the second one is rename. And since we want to change our name on Zoom, we can select rename, and then you can enter a new screen name. I'm just going to name it like this and then click on OK. All right. And now as you can see that my Zoom name has been changed. And anytime you join new meeting, you need to rename it again. It's not permanent. If you want to change it permanently, you can go to the setting and you can change your name from setting. But here you can rename it just for this meeting. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to change Zoom name on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.